Go to the QRapid Docker repository and download the whole project. You can do that by entering git clone command in your shell program and pasting the link found in the repository. Go to the main directory where the Docker Compose file is located and follow the next instructions. You can run all the tools and the databases by copying and pasting the command found in the Quick Start Guide under the Running Required Tools section. At this point, you need to verify if Elasticsearch and SonarQube are running. To check SonarQube, go to the page http://localhost: and the port number shown on screen. There are no analyzed projects after the first startup. We need to add at least one project for the demo to work properly. To check Elasticsearch, go to the page http://localhost: and the port number shown on the screen. You need to add your first sample project to be able to analyze it with SonarQube. As you can see on screen, the first statistics are now available in SonarQube. After adding the example project into SonarQube, you have to run QR Connect Sonar, Dashboard RBase, QR Alert, SI Assessment REST. To do that, copy the link from the Quick Start Guide and paste it into your shell program. After a short while, everything is ready. In the following step, run docker compose app-d qr-eval. Check if the SonarQube measures and SonarQube issues indicates are to be found on Elasticsearch. It is crucial that after running qr-eval, the docs count must be greater than 0. If not, you have to run qr-eval again. As you can see, everything works properly. QRapid's eval feeds some metrics into Elasticsearch. This, in turn, enables the dashboard